The Red Tea Detox program is built from more than 5 years of research spanning more than 500 medical studies, hundreds of diet systems and books, and almost 3 years of real-world testing. With the Red Tea Detox program, you can strip off 5, 10, 15 pounds of fat or more in just 14 days. The Red Tea Detox program includes the Red Tea recipe and my simple-to-follow methods for detoxing to cleanse away the fat. You'll see how this red tea can literally force your fat cells to open and detox your body to quickly cleanse away all those extra pounds and inches. You deserve to have a healthy body and do all the things you ever wanted to do. You deserve to be wearing the clothes you love and getting those nice compliments about your slender figure, too. The Red Tea Detox recipe is caffeine-free. It is vegan and vegetarian safe, dairy-free, gluten-free, sugar-free, and this is exactly what you've been searching for. Let's see what Debbie, Liz, and Dr. Robinson had to say about the Red Tea Detox program and how it worked for them to cleanse their fat away. Debbie H., age 42 from Dallas, Texas, says, I've lost more than 14 pounds in 14 days. I lost almost 15 pounds, actually 14.9 pounds, during my first 2 weeks on the program. I did a second round and lost another 11.5 pounds. I've never felt so much energy or been more healthy in my life. Mark T., 51, an engineer from Hastings, Minnesota, says, I lost 17.1 pounds. Try it, stick with it, and you'll see results. I kicked my diet soda habit and got rid of my sugar cravings. The detox from sugar was easier than I thought. After reading the program, I knew the amount of sugar I was eating each day was killing me. Now it's day 14. I'm down 17.1 pounds. This works, and it's the only thing that ever did it for me. I'd say try it and stick with it, because once you are thinner, life is so much better, and it's easier than you think. Dr. Robinson, an MD from Tampa, Florida, says, I'm recommending this to all my staff and patients. As a doctor, I've seen and heard it all. The red detox drink is tasty, and I'm not hungry. After trying it myself with my husband and seeing our lab numbers improve, triglycerides, blood sugar, blood pressure, I recommend the Red Tea Detox to my staff and patients. It also helps you lose weight to get the body you want, finally get a good night's sleep so you can feel great and fight off disease, produce and maintain energy throughout the day to play with your kids, spend quality time with your husband, and keep up with all of your active life's demands. Detox your body and protect your brain from neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's, lose fat and protect yourself from cancer, diabetes, and heart attacks, reduce your hunger naturally and effortlessly so you're no longer a slave to your cravings, spice up your marriage and ramp up the passion and intimacy in your relationship, and reverse harm caused by the many environmental toxins that have been building up in your body for years. You can achieve the body you've always wanted, the body you deserve. I know you're probably skeptical, right? That's okay. But I can't stress this enough. You are not a failure. The fat loss science you thought would help you lose weight failed you. This detox is proven safe, effective, and simple. You can drink this tea to detox your body and shed 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds or more, just like I did. The difference in my body in just 14 days was truly astonishing. I shed 14 pounds in a matter of weeks. I then went on to cleanse away an incredible 27 more pounds. That's 41 pounds all gone because of one cup of tea. When they kept coming off, I knew I'd found something special. The truth is that all I did was drink this delicious red tea and do a few other simple things to shrink my fat cells. The unique combination of special ingredients in this tea literally unlock your fat cells to help remove built-up toxins and reset your body's metabolism. The two things making it impossible for you to lose weight. If you've ever gained a lot of extra weight or felt like your body was simply out of control, I know how you feel. It can really make you feel both helpless and hopeless. Thankfully, I know there's a solution that works because I've done it. Plus, it's fast, easy, and it tastes delicious. Best of all, I lost every one of those stubborn 41 pounds for good. Imagine your excitement when just 14 short days from now, you step on your scale, look down, and see that you're much lighter. Think about the excitement you'll feel when you see the real-life proof that you can lose this much weight. And it was all so easy. All you did was drink this delicious red tea. Plus, you still got to enjoy delicious meals and even exercised a bit less, not more. You can cleanse away fat as much as you want, anytime you want. It's all up to you, and you don't have to stop there. Remember, it's not just about losing the fat either. This is about confidence. This is about freedom. By taking control of your body, you're taking back control of your life. No more insecurity, no more indecision. Best of all, no more feeling helpless. So go ahead and click the button below now and let's get started.